again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the video to do the English practice, and so sometime I upload videos on the peoples who are want to like basically do something in YouTube as well. So this video is all about the same. Like as you all know, like I have started a YouTube channel, and I'm uploading the video only on English language because I think my field is this because I was struggling a lot of time previously, and because of that my majorly focus on English. So that is how I try to use YouTube as a moderate, like as a third person who is watching me, and that is how sometimes I watch myself as well, because that is how you have a different perspective as well of your speaking and your body language, and so you cannot able to see yourself without recording. So this is a big part, and that is why I just try this method. And apart from this, I also basically upload videos on listening as well. So that is very small part of my practice sessions which I'm doing. So apart from this, like I do read a lot of successful people who have done quite well, and along with that I basically listen podcasts and listen a lot of motivational speakers, because if you are learning something, and this will be a journey, and on that you need to always motivate yourself, because sometimes that you can easily lose. But by getting videos, so you will get a motivation sometimes, and so basically I also find out from the books that you need to motivate yourself from the internal end, not by the external end, because that will long last. And you need to basically find out your why you are working on it, why is it mean to you most, and just search out multiples why. So the more your why are, so the better chances of your becoming the same person. So that is how I basically have lot of whys, such as this will help me getting a livelihood, and this will helps me like to engage with peoples who are foreigners. So there is lot of why you need to have, why this means a lot to me. So that is why basically, and there is multiple setbacks, such as like I've got rejected from multiples companies. So that is why this is a major thing for me. So that's why I upload videos every day. So if something gives you setbacks, so you need to write down in your notes, as basically I do this thing. So after that I don't want to do it again, because I don't want to get the setback again, because this is not the right way to learn basically. So that is why I write down my mistakes, and I don't want to try it again, because that is how life works. If you don't do the same mistake, so you will never improve. So that is how I basically prefer these things. So if you want to basically learn English language, so you can subscribe to my channel. And so in upcoming days I'll try upload multiples video on English language, and from the scratch whosoever want to learn, because I've started from the scratch, and I'll share you the easiest way, because the simpler you have your tasks, so the better chances of like you are going to work. But like a lot of people do complex things, such as learning grammars and reading books, so that will not improve your speaking language. So for that you need to speak basically, and that is what I'm doing currently. And so that's how, as far as I learned. So I found out that by speaking only you can improve, and by that you will build a lot of confidence. So on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you found it helpful. So bye bye, have a good day.